Hello, well, welcome to our new game production. So, as you may know, the world is in a sad, in a desperate quarantine days. So, there is a coronavirus outbreak, a pandemic has been popped out since 5 months, since more than 5 months. And meanwhile, we had a project. We wanted to make a project, an Android project, Android game project about this issue because as you know there are so many ridiculously stories about the about the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic, which are that people are talking on the social media that the coronavirus has popped because of the reasons due to the reasons that our Chinese people are eating bats and these such animals, and just because they eat animals, these such animals, virus the spread of the virus, the outcome of the virus is causing because of the Chinese people. These kind of ridiculous stories are traveling in the social media, so we thought that it will be nice, it will be wise to make a game, to create a game, especially on an Android platform, because there are mm, millions of Android devices are used in the present. So we thought it would be wise to make a game make about the coronavirus. So our project, when we download the game will welcomes us a screen with a bat on the top, a Chinese object, an emoji. It's an emoji also that we created as a 20 points. If the bat gets in an attachment with the Chinese emoji, it will take 20 points. And there is a dragon emoji. If the bat get in touch with the dragon emoji, it will take 50 points. And there is a vaccine emoji, vaccine object. When the bat get in touch with the vaccine emoji, the game will be over. And there is also a button we decided to create in this shape. Will be nice. So and meanwhile I'm mentioning of the game, our our game's name ArtBat is coming from the artificial bat. As you may know, it's artificial game, and also the bat comes from the story. So I can start the game. Let's see how we play the game. When we when we hit the press to start the game, we will see an activity page where we are getting in touch with the phone screens. When we will tap the screens, the bat will move on the y-axis, and the objects, the dragon emoji, Chinese and vaccine emojis, will also move on the x-axis. So let's see how they move, how they interact with the bat on the screen. As you see on the top of the screen, there is a counter which counts our points. Like when I hit the Chinese emoji, it takes 20 points, and when I hit the dragon, it will take 50 points. Let's kill ourselves, and as you see, there is my current score, 520 points, and the highest score that I played previously, it is 1610 points. So I will try again, and I will try to pass the highest score. And when we hit the try again button on the final screen, the game will forward us. There's a transition code there. The game will forward us to this welcome page. And let's start again. So as you see in the second screen, you have to touch the screen twice to to start the game instead of tapping the press to start game at the entry screen, because when we hit the screen for the first time, uh, it will it might it might get in touch with the vaccine quickly. So we thought that it will be wiser if we start the game in a second tab in the main activity screen. It really seems easy, but when you play continuously, as now I did in a few moments ago, it is sometimes hard to reach the highest score. But I'll try hard now. I'll try harder. And also you see the dragon emoji is coming faster than the others because it's 50 points, so it should be more hard. It should be harder to catch, right? Also, there are some future works we are thinking about, like there will be tapping sounds, tapping voices while you tap the screen, and the background music will. Oh God, I just cannot pass the high score. Never mind. So this is the project that we made, and in the future works there will be background music and a tapping voice also, and we are planning to put some background images on the game screen, main screen, on the final screen. So yeah, this is the sum of the game. Thanks for watching.